Okay, YouTubers, this is Chef Capone Jr., and I have something very special to show you today. As you can see, the box is not open, so let's open it. Wow. Okay. That guy's my note. Okay, one thing. Okay. Now, this here is the man who made it for me. Silver to Burn. Very cool, very cool. Put that right there. And here's the COA. Before I give it away, let's pull it out. Wow. Okay. Now, I got two packages. I don't know why I have two. Oh, okay. I know. Yeah. All right. All right, let's open this one up. Now, when I brought this project to him, Silver to Burn, he says, it's going to be a challenge, but I want to try it. He says, the only reason why he calls it a challenge, because it wasn't a straight, square, up and down mold. It has a lot of curves and bends and whatever knots. So, here we go. Look at that. Get some of that. This is my, what you call, mascot or channel logo. Well, stands up. It's supposed to stand up. Anyways, we'll fix that. Okay. Wait, now what do I do with that card? God damn. Hold on. 1 second. I can go to Lost and Found. Oh boy. I would lose my mind if it wasn't attached to it. Anyways, oh shit, man. I can't believe that. My God, he's gonna kill me. Anyways, the COA is what I'm looking for, and I cannot find it. But let me put this right there. This weighs 11 ounces of 9.999 silver. I think he did an excellent job. I want to thank Silver to Burn so much. This is unbelievable. Beautiful, beautiful piece of silver for my channel logo, or what do you want to call it. Okay. And this is the mold he made it out of. We all know who that guy is. He said the hat alone weighs 5 ounces of silver. Pretty good. Guy does excellent work. He's part of the Metals Mafia, and he was up at that pool party, and I couldn't say much. I can't stop saying much about this guy because he's a dynamite person. And I just found the COA, so hold on. Okay. So the COA says, Smurf, I suppose, Chef, 11 ounces, 999 silver, handcrafted by Bernie with the anchor. Beautiful job, Bernie. Thank you so much. You'll be seeing this on my videos. and we're going to go up to almost 5 minutes. So I really thank you for watching, everybody, and thank you so much, Bernie. Silver to Burn, check him out. He's coming back. Bye bye.